Introducing Neuphony application. Calm, focus and unplug because your performance matters and so do you. Imagine accessing your brain through your smartphone. Your data is in good hands and so is your brain. Train your brain the easy and fun way with Neuphony. Set your goals in the application and let Neuphony know what you want to get what suits you best. Let Neuphony know how you feel today to help make you feel better. Turn on the device using the power button. Now the blinking LED will show you that it's looking for a Bluetooth connection. Once you click on the Connect Now button to find the devices nearby. Now connect with your device with the app. The LED should now get stable. Once the device is connected, you should see it on the top screen. Choose your meditation music from a variety of options. Listen to the meditation from the main menu. To give you the best quality data and accurate results, please spend a minute on the sensor check screen. And everything else will be a cakewalk. Place the device over your head. And the red dots are the disconnected sensors. Make sure that all the sensors touch your scalp by adjusting your hair to make the sensors turn green. After connecting the required sensors, wait for 5 seconds to make sure the sensors are stable. Press on Continue button. Now, in the baseline calculation, focus while Neuphony creates your brain map. This should take around 1 minute. Once your meditation has started, just relax. Let go of all that is overwhelming. Let go of your problems. We will dig into the details about your brain parameters. This is how you can see how you performed during the session. In the Insights page, you will see the PDR, which is posterior dominant rhythm, the mood, in which we have 3 options, positive, negative and neutral, and the graph on how your brain activity toggled between focused and distracted state. Via the graph, you can also find out your resilience and attention span. Each person has a different brain and hence a different graph. Thank you.